Hey everybody, it's Tom from Vehicle Visionary. I hope you're having a great day. This tutorial is applicable to the Chevrolet Tahoe, the Chevrolet Suburban, or even the GMC Yukon. Even though the screens are a little different from one to another, this will help you out with something you may not know about that makes it very convenient for getting in and getting out of your full-size GM vehicle. Now, we're going to go to Settings, Vehicle. We're going to go all the way down here. You're going to be looking for seating position. Now notice that neither one of these are on. So if I check them to on like this, here's what's going to happen. The driver entry position, driver entry memory, it tells you what it does right here. So when you get into the vehicle, it's going to bring the seat forward. Same thing with the exit right here. It's going to move the seat back and make it easier for you to get in and get out. For some people, that might be a really good thing. Obviously, if you don't like that, you can come in here. You can either do it from that last screen or you can do it right here on this screen. You can turn that option back off. So I hope that helps somebody out. If there's another tutorial or something you'd like to know about with one of these Chevrolet or GM related vehicles, the Tahoes, the Yukons, the Suburbans, even the Cadillac Escalade, tell me down in the comment section. I'll make that video for you. Thanks for taking the time to watch. I'll see you next time.